Whether you're a weekend DIY warrior, a woodworking enthusiast, or just need a reliable tool for cutting through your next project, choosing the right handsaw can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best handsaws you can get right now, covering durability, cutting performance, comfort, and value for money. We'll also walk you through a quick buying guide so you know exactly what to look for before making your choice. All the product links are conveniently listed in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's get started. 5. REXBETI PD112191. This extra-long folding saw is built for serious performance, featuring a durable SK5 steel blade that delivers efficient cutting for camping, survival, bushcraft, landscaping, and general yard work. The heavy-duty 11-inch rugged blade powers through thick branches with ease, making it ideal for cutting wood up to 6 to 7 inches in diameter. Its aggressive staggered teeth, 7 TPI, provide ultra-smooth, sharp sawing action, while the comfortable, extended rubber-coated polymer handle ensures a secure grip in any weather. Designed for maximum reach and leverage, this folding saw combines strength, precision, and portability for all your outdoor and yard cutting needs. 4. Goldblatt G08501A. The 11 3/4 inch 299mm folding jab saw is built for precision, speed, and safety in cutting tasks. Featuring a 6 3/4 inch 172mm ergonomic anti-slip handle and a 5-inch 127mm bimetal saw blade with an HRC rating of 62 to 68. It delivers strength and durability for tough jobs. The precision triple ground teeth, 8 TPI, cut in both directions, push and pull, for faster, smoother results, while deep gullets help clear debris for continuous cutting. Its sharpened tip easily punches through drywall, wallboard, or similar materials. The secure locking system and foldable design ensure safe operation, compact storage, and easy portability. Ideal for cutting drywall, plywood, plastic, and PVC, this saw is a reliable tool for DIY enthusiasts, framers, contractors, and woodworkers alike. 3. TOOLAN ESTA 2204N. The 8-in-1 adjustable blade handsaw is a versatile and practical tool designed for convenience and performance. Featuring a TPR non-slip handle with an ergonomic design, it reduces hand fatigue for comfortable use over extended periods. Its clever lockback mechanism securely holds the blades in place, while the ingenious clamping design supports both large and small blades, offering 8 high-quality, high-speed steel (HSS) blades that are sharp, durable, and resistant to wear. The professional clamping system makes blade replacement easy, and compatible spare blades are available wherever tools are sold. With its compact design, this saw saves space in your toolbox, making it ideal for on-the-go projects. Perfect for cutting drywall, metal, plywood, plastic, PVC, and more. It's a must-have for woodworking, gardening, home repairs, and DIY tasks. 2. Rui Tool Japanese Handsaw. An ideal gift for any woodworker, carpenter, or craftsman, this Japanese pull saw delivers precision, durability, and versatility in one tool. After numerous manual tests, we found the 6-inch blade to be the perfect size for accurate flush and finish cuts. Crafted from SK5 high-carbon steel, the blade offers both strength and flexibility, while its teeth, hardened by advanced Japanese high-frequency technology, reach an impressive HRC 6063 for long-lasting sharpness. The double-edged design features 17 TPI for hardwood and 14 TPI for softwood, making it equally effective for rip cuts and cross cuts. Its 3-sided grinding gear design ensures razor-sharp edges, faster chip removal, and smooth, effortless cutting. Backed by efficient after-sales support, we guarantee a quick 24-hour response to any inquiry, ensuring your satisfaction and peace of mind. 1. Suizan E012. Experience precision woodworking with the Suizan Japanese-style pull saw, a traditional tool designed to cut on the pull stroke, unlike European push saws. This unique method requires less effort, offers greater control, and delivers cleaner, more accurate cuts, all while being lighter in weight. Crafted from premium Japanese steel for razor-sharp performance, each saw is made in Japan by master craftsmen in a town with over 100 years of craft-making heritage. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, this tool will expand your woodworking possibilities and elevate your projects. Designed for both rip and cross cuts, it features a 9.5-inch 240mm blade and 0.5mm thickness, 9 and 15 TPI, 1.67mm, 0.03-inch, 0.8 millimeters kerf width, and an overall length of 23.2 inches, 59 centimeters. Each handle is individually hand-wrapped, giving every piece a unique appearance. Minor cracks from the wrapping process are natural and not defects. Assembly required. Please assemble this product yourself. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best hand saws, along with our quick buying guide. Whether you're tackling woodworking projects, pruning in the garden, or handling some weekend DIY repairs, the right hand saw can make all the difference in both speed and precision. If you saw, pun intended, something you like, I've placed all the product links down below in the description so you can check out the latest prices and reviews. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more product research and reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay sharp and happy cutting.